Samsung's next Ultra might surprise you, and it might not be in the way you think it will. There will probably not be a big camera hardware upgrade for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It looks like the same setup as last year on paper, which is disappointing at first. But this is where it gets interesting. Ice Universe on Weibo says that Samsung is quietly fixing real camera problems that people complain about. They've reportedly improved lens coating to cut down on harsh flaring. In short, there will be clearer pictures taken in bright sunlight and less unwanted streaky light that ruins pictures taken at night. Fans have pointed out for years that Samsung's image processing makes skin look yellow. Samsung is said to be working on fixing this. It may not be showy, but it might help pictures look more natural. This time, there is also talk of a later launch. The Galaxy S26 series might be shown in late February instead of the usual January reveal, with phones getting to stores in March. No big changes or crazy redesigns, just small changes that could make a difference. New pictures, and a short video of what appear to be mock-ups of the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 had just come out online. They are already causing a lot of excitement. The leak was from a reliable source, Steve H. Mathley, also known as OnLeaks, and it immediately changed our perspective on Samsung's next big move. The most shocking thing at first glance is the camera island coming back. After 3 generations of very clean backs with lenses directly on the panel, Samsung is clearly changing things up. The back looks like it was designed to be more structured and less simple. It now looks more planned out. It's as if Samsung wants to show off the camera instead of hiding it. And here's where things change. The Galaxy S26 Ultra also has a small, but important change in how it looks. Its corners look like the base models, which makes the whole lineup look more polished and put together. Also, the bezels look like they are slimmer. Still, even with the display off, that detail is still hard to get. I still think this is bad. There's more to it than meets the eye. People are saying that the Ultra might be a little taller, thinner, and lighter than it was before, but it could also be a little wider. The megapixel count won't change, but both the standard camera and the 5x telephoto are expected to have wider openings. This time around, the camera bump is more noticeable. This is probably because of the thinner body and small upgrade. The big question is if fans will love these changes. The changes feel more polished than new, mainly because the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks a lot like the S25 Ultra. The regular Galaxy S26 is expected to have a bigger 6.3-inch screen and a somewhat thicker body than the Galaxy S25. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.